day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at GBP USD on the 4-hour chart, and we'll start by mapping out the current range. These are the lows that broke the highs, and we've been trending sideways in the sideways range at the top of the overall range. Still looking for any type of pullback, but just note that it doesn't have to actually pull back. This could just, the longer it's in the range, it could go in any direction. It could break out past the highs, continue pushing up to higher prices. Also, right now, I would like to see any type of retracement back into discount in order to see if I can look for any opportunities for any buys in any type of demand zone, but it doesn't have to do that. No setup right now for any type of buys or selling opportunities. Normally you can sell back down to discount, but the longer it ranges, the longer I'm just not sure which direction it's going to go. So Euro USD still in an ascending channel of price action. Let's go ahead and map out the overall range from the lows. It's also at the top of the range, not ranging sideways, but ranging in ascending price action, which there's a high probability that it should take out these the liquidity sitting under the lows of the channel in order to continue pushing forward, or it could, once it does take out the liquidity, could push down back to the discount, possibly to this demand zone or a lower demand zone, and then continue to push toward higher prices. Right now, not seeing any setup. Just like with GBP USD, can in some situations trade back down to discount, but though with all the news going on, I'm not really sure which type of direction this could possibly go in, but I'm just waiting to see any type of momentum shift, and then we'll take it from there. AUD USD, go ahead and map out the entire range. This retraced back into discount and started pushing higher. Buyers weren't able to push past the highs. It did take out some liquidity that was sitting above these highs, but now it's retracing back again, trending in a channel, descending channel, possibly a bull flag. Would be looking for any buys, any buying opportunities to continue pushing higher. Drop down to a lower time frame to see when the bullish momentum shifts and picks up and breaks out and start taking out these highs, and it takes out the rest of the liquidity sitting up here. I would be looking for any type of opportunity to buy now from this pair, but again, in correlation with the other pairs, Euro USD and GBP USD, those could retrace back down, and this could also. NZD USD, similar chart. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. And similar situation, it retraced back into discount, pushed forward. Buyers weren't able to push past the highs, took out some liquidity above these highs. Now starting to retrace back, just like AUD USD, in a descending channel. Bull flag. So I am looking for any opportunity to buy from here, expecting prices to take out the liquidity and the rest of the liquidity and try and get the highs of the overall range. But just like with AUD USD, that's going to correlation with the dollar index, what the dollar pairs and what the dollar index is going to do. Because like I said, Euro and the pound are at the highs of the range, so those could possibly trace back down. This could continue consolidating, retracing back down, but looking for any type of buying opportunities now. Drop down any lower time frame to see when a good buying opportunity presents itself. GBP AUD. Let's go and map out the current range. Has continued to push up past the highs. Gives little retracement. Normally like a retracement back into discount. It's not doing that. This is very impulsive from last week. Continue to impulse a range and not offer any pullback. Now offer some pullback. I like a deeper retracement. Now it's in an ascending channel. It impulses, retraces, impulses, retraces. Now it's getting to a channel or a wedge, more like a wedge. But yeah, no, this is range. So more than likely, it's our probability that once this gets squeezed, it's gonna shoot back down. The high probability if it breaks down, it'll finally come back down. But at that point, yeah, I'll be looking for any type of buying opportunity and discount, any type of bullish momentum shift when it gets back down here, back down to any type of demand area. And this could be happening soon, but I don't know if there's a selling opportunity now since it has been so impulsive over the past few weeks. GBP NZD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. A similar chart. Kept ranging, impulsing, ranging. Now it has retraced back. It changed character, but it's still after this, buyers were able to step back in, but not able to break the highs or came close, formed a double top up here. Never retraced back into discount to present in buying opportunity for my taste. It's also in a wedge forming pattern. So a high probability that this gets squeezed. It will break out in either direction. But I'll be looking for it to break down in order to catch any type of buying bullish momentum down in discount. But it could also be a selling opportunity, counter trend trading. We'll just be looking out for any type of price action that indicates which direction it's going to go. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.